Hey guys, I'm back with another Roblox mobile video. Today, I'm letting fate decide what I play. That's right, I've got a random wheel loaded with Roblox game and whatever it lands on, I have to play it. No cheating, no skipping, just pure randomness. Let's see what happens. Alright, here we go. The first man, what is gonna be? Please don't give me something too crazy. Let's go! Man, I can't wait. What the? This. Why is this taking so long, man? Oh. Oh wait, no. Oh no, mega fun of B2? I have no idea what is this, but I guess we're jumping in. Okay, we're in. Let's see what this is about. First impression. Hmm. I mean, this is just mega fun obey Roblox game, so it just obey. Jump. Let's go, man. Fuck. What? Nee, the checkpoints here is not working, guys. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Jump. If I found fail this, I will give up fruit in black fruit. Nee, what the fuck? Sorry. Yo, jump, 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 jump. Let's go. It's too easy, man. This is too easy. Jump, jump. Nah, this is easy, man. I thought this was hard. Jump. Oh my god. This is so many levels. 500 is 500 stages. This is gonna be a long time, man. What the what? Oh shit. Never mind. Sorry, my bad. Jump, climb. Let's go. Need this way again. Jump. Oh my. One last time. Jump. Let's go. Ah! Jump. Oh my god. Jump. What the? Jump. Oh my god. Jump. Let's go, man. Jump. 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 Oh shit, the checkpoint here suck. Let's go, we. Jump. Oh my. I swear to God, man. Jump. Nig. I'm Filipino, guys. Don't worry. Jump. Yes. Nice one. Jump. Oh my. Oh, he's gonna copy it. She's gonna copy it. Let's see. Copy my move, man. Ooh, she did not copy my move. What am I supposed to do here, man? What? Am I? Is this a bug? Or am I tripping? What? How can I? Oh my! This game, man. This suck. This is sucks. Let's try this, man. The top to move. Yeah. Let's try this. Let's go. I hope it works. Wait, what? How am I supposed to do this? I'm a MOBA. Give me a break, man. Now let's move on to another game. This game sucks. 1/10. Oh my god. Alright, that was something. Time for spin number 2. Let's see if this will gonna be nicer to me this time. Let's go. This is so fun, slow, man. What it is? Oh, not bad. PG inspired games. Example, Bacon, Kami, Ronaldo, etc. Oh wow, this one looks interesting. Let's check it out, man. Come on, let's go. Okay, this one way more my style. But I don't like to play horror games. The fuck? I can move. Oh no. Shit. No, fun way I can move. Wait. Oh shit. That happened. Move. Nah. I'm so dumb. Oh shit. So 2 players only. What? 3 players only. This is something not I was expecting to. This game is dying. I think. Let's go to map voting. Let's vote chapter 2 library. This is because it's easy. I don't like hard because I don't play horror games. Double trouble. Both plus player and then the player. So let's wait. Oh no. There are only three of us tapos and double trouble pa. Oh man, Bacon has been to school all week. Oh no. What happened to Bacon? Bacon! I hope Bacon is okay. Nigga, she have a knife. Oh my god. Oh, I'm a Bacon. I wonder what sound was. Let's check it out. Oh, I have to wait. So my bad. So, just one more thing. I don't play horror games because I just don't play that game. I like of type of game is like leveling up. Oh, Bacon, is that you? Yes, it's me, man. Where you at? Meet me at the cafeteria. Oh no, meet me at the library. Let's find this nigga. And also, can we just appreciate how smooth this run is mobile? Like, just like in PC, man. Oh my, why I'm like this? I can't even find the. Oh no, I find it. Thank. Oh, look. Bang. Yeah, he's dead. She's dead. He's dead. She's dead. They are dead. Them is dead. That's it for today's video. Subscribe. I'm leaving.